Hi, I'm Sam Allen of Law Mom. Do I need more than a will? The short answer is yes. A will says who gets what. But that's not the only question when it comes to estate planning. Estate planning covers what if you're incapacitated or disabled? Who's in charge of your assets and your medical decisions or your minor children if you're parents of minors? Who's caring for them during that time? And then ultimately, who would be raising them if something were to happen to you? So you definitely need more than a will. Every adult in Massachusetts, and any state for that matter, needs a power of attorney, which means you're naming people to make financial and legal decisions on your behalf when you can't make them. You need a healthcare proxy as well as a HIPAA release so your agents and family can talk to the doctors to find out what's going on, how you're doing, and you need all of that in addition to a will. Whether you need a will and a trust is a completely separate question, but definitely a will alone doesn't cover all of your estate planning needs. Also, parents of minors, you'd want guardianship completely covered. Short term guardianship for emergency situations, long term guardianship. Who would raise your children if you were to pass away? Think about that. Who would raise your children if you were to pass away? We have this conversation time and time again with potential clients and clients. If you don't write it down and you don't make your wishes known, a probate judge, a stranger, will make that decision for you if something were to happen to you. And someone you might not want raising your children could potentially raise your children if you were to pass away. Also, write a letter to your children or a letter to the guardians that you've named, just so they know the things that you would want, the wishes that you have, and the stories that you'd want to pass on to your children and the next generations. If your children are very young or if a guardian would want some advice from you, that's also more the reason to write stuff down. So this is a way to supplement just a will to make sure that everyone knows ultimately your wishes, your values, and your stories. I'm Sam Allen of Law Mom. If you'd like to schedule an appointment and learn more about what we do here or just have a conversation with us, you can do so at www.lawmom.com. We're here providing peace of mind for you and for your loved ones.